Hello, hello, hello. I think that we are live. I think so. We are live. Just let me check once. What you asked? Just uh this live event is still waiting. Acha. It's uploading. Just just a minute, guys. Let me first check whether my audio is coming right. Hello, hello. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So first, change this. Think it's visible now. Hope the bitrate is okay. I don't know. Maybe the bitrate is okay. It's okay. So basically, I've already done a bit of stuffs like what we are using today. Just I'm giving. Wait a minute, guys. Yeah, okay. So yeah, I have done the initialization part because that's a very what to say repetitive thing, and I don't want to go through that in today's stream. This stream will be see basically what we are building here is a finance management app or a banking app with finance management. Okay, so yeah, just a minute, guys. Let me turn off my stream. Okay, so what we are doing here is basically uh, we are building up real-time banking app. Okay, so what is a real-time banking app? It will be similar to phone pay, for example. Let me get is it a tile? Yes. I don't know, for some reason today my Linux is lagging too much. I don't know why. I hope my stream is clear because that's what I want really today, that please. Yeah, okay. Uh, okay. So what we are building here today is very simple. It's a banking app. It's a Next.js app. It's Next.js app. Okay, this is a straightforward app. What functionalities we are giving is we will be having a payment dashboard. Okay, so we will be having a payment dashboard. Payment. Uh, I'm not understanding that why my system is freezing. Like it's literally not running in full 60 fps. You see, it's giving me 10, 11 fps. I don't know what is wrong with my machine today. Really, guys, I would highly recommend you to install Linux in your SSD because one of the greatest mistakes what I have done is I have installed Linux on my slowest HDD. I have HDD, a lot of HDDs in my machine, but the one which was the slowest, the like 10-year-old HDD. I thought that yeah, Linux can run on everything, but nowadays Linux has also like updated itself. So moreover, I'm using a very package heavy distro, Kali Linux. I think most of you have already understood. Okay, so just a minute, let me check what FPS am I getting. 11, and on an average 9 FPS. That's terrible. Actually, that's very terrible. Okay, so I hope it would be resolved. I don't know. Yeah. So what we will be doing is we will be having a payment dashboard from where you can all do your payments. Okay, and what we will be having is we will be having a what to say graph. Okay, of managing a finance, that which like which time what was your like spendings and all. Okay, and yeah, basically that those things of finance management are with all the money related transactions, etc., etc. And also we will be having like real time ledger or a mini statement, as most of the Indians like to call it. We will be also adding that functionality, and also a lot of like here and there functions which are like user specific, very user specific. But for this uh, project I will be doing those things. Okay, so what things we will be using today, I'm just briefing you out. We will be using something known as Plaid. Okay, Plaid or Plaid, I don't know. Plaid, Plaid payment. So yeah. So these are the this is the package we'll be using. Okay, Plaid or Plaid, anything. So what this allows us is to like implement uh, what to say, to implement our payment within the apps. Okay, to initiate payment within the apps. It can also help us like managing our payments, because making our own full-fledged payment service is like very complex. I've already started a series called Paymex series, which is my open source payment app. It's a UPI payment app which I'll be making on YouTube itself. It's a open source platform. Okay, so there we will be going in depth of how to build a service such as Plaid, uh, like how they initiate payments, and how they send the like basically what happens is I have the system design for that. Just a minute, I am showing you the system design. I think I have here, yeah, payment system design. See, so what actually happens in the back end of services like Plaid is you have a withdrawal sweeper, you have a bank sweeper, and you have a webhook handler. Okay, so what it does is that it just initiates a payment. Like you are using the front end, I'll be building the front end, and I'll be using the I will be using Plaid as a service. Like they are having all these things ready made, like the withdrawal sweeper, the webhook handler, everything is ready made. Okay, basically what system design I'm showing you here is what to say, a broader portion of not a broader portion, but a very narrow portion of a service like Plaid, because Plaid implements the method of not the method, but implements Kubernetes, which is also like that is a scaling process, not for beginners at all. Okay, so yeah, that's all. And this what I'm showing you here is how Plaid works. Okay, this is the brief overview of how Plaid works, but this is very narrowed down overview of how Plaid works. And this is what this is one of the many frameworks which we'll be using. And another one, what we will be using is a very crucial tool to be used. It's called AppWrite. Okay, so let me write here. Oh no, not AppWrite. I don't know what is happening to my machine right now. Okay, so this is basically a DAS, what we call. BaaS is known as a backend as a service. Okay, so what this thing does is, this thing actually facilitates us like running the backend without writing a backend specific code. Okay, like we can use its authentication. It's just like Firebase. Most of you have already used Firebase, I know, but this is just what to say, what a bit more a bit more niche than Firebase. Okay, that's what Apprite is. Let me create a new account here. Wait a minute, just a minute. Uh, Sometimes GitHub really fucks up this thing. So I don't think that my ID and password was visible. Never mind. Uh, okay. So yeah. So we will be giving our organization name. Let's give it OmniRocks. I think the situation is a bit better. No, it's still averaging around 10-15 FPS. I don't know how the stream is looking. I'm really sorry for the bad experience. I'll be going with the free tier. Okay, yeah, cool. Let's create a project here. Let's name it bank app. Name bank app. Okay, so only Frankfurt is available for now. Create. Cool. Our project is done, ready to go right now. So we will be needing to. So what we will be needing is right now. I don't know why this is terribly lagging. My stream is terribly lagging, but trust me, guys, this is not my PC which is hampering, but the hard disk which is doing all this shit. I don't know. These hard disks should be banned for real. Just a minute, guys. I think I have to close the stream and I have to start again later.